Hello everyone. So today we are going to cover one of the topic, that is your biome. Okay, so why this is of course in your geology paper one, I know geology optional UPSC paper one. But the same time I really want to say that biome is not only the topic, not the topic which is only important for your geology optional, but this is one of the topic which is also important for your geography purpose, right? So आपका जो GS normal paper GS1 है, that is your GS1, not do not say that essay. I'm saying the GS1 in that history and the geography, the syllabuses. Okay, so even in that, biome is very important. And apart from all that, biome concept is very important, right? For that uh, normal GS or the normal UPSC syllabus, है ना? So today we're going to cover. So today we are going to cover the topic of your biome. And this and one more reason because of that I am covering this topic. So as we have covered, as we have just discussed the UPSC PYQ paper analysis 2025 geology optional, right? So in that question number 5 has a question of biome. If you see the paper, you'll see that in that section B there was a question number 5 and उसमें आपका 10 marker question में again I'm saying that it's a 10 marker question, but of course when we cover any single topic, so we do not cover in the limitation of the word because of that PDF or because of that notes you generally make in your copies. Of course you make, right? So you do not write this question has been came in that 10 marks or that 150 or the 250 word limit, so you have to do that only, because whatever the notes we have or we make, in that only we remain, or I think we sustain, we retain only side maybe 70 to 80%, and from that 70 to 80% we just write in that examination, that is 50%, right? Of course. So that is why we are going to cover the biome topic with the whole or the complete concept of that. Okay, so first we'll talk about what is biome. So when we talk about the biome, you know, so in that system, uh, of course when we talk about the ecosystem, okay, I think I can talk here also. Just wait a minute. Yeah, I think this space is good enough. So when we talk about that ecosystem, sorry. So when we talk about the ecosystem, right? This is also a topic of normal UPSC science wala section, environment wala section. So that in ecosystem is actually ecosystem is made up of so many units, right? So first we talk about the individual, है ना? Then we'll talk about that species, right? Individual or organism, better you whatever you want to say that, right? Then we cover the population. Then we cover the community, right? Then we cover in that community, we cover the biome or the ecosystem. Biome or ecosystem. Yes, sometimes you will see the biome after the ecosystem. I'll tell you what is the difference between the ecosystem. Generally, when we talk about this kind of ecosystem, right? And the largest aspect of the ecosystem can be said that biome. And after that, we'll cover the biosphere, right? This is the thing I have already explained, elaborated in one of that environment video. So to just know this, understand, to just understand this concept, you can see one of that video. But simply if you even here you can understand. So this ecosystem is actually made up of these are them. सबसे पहले we'll study the individual, then we study the species. Species are the same individual, and then population is of the same species, है ना? So and the community, when we talk about the community of this area, community of that area, so we consider in that community different species also. Then these community make ecosystem, and then we'll cover the biome. So here today we are going to cover this thing, sorry. So today we are going to cover the biome thing, है ना? As we have in our environment video, we have already covered the species, population, then the population interaction. This is one of the very important topic of the population interaction, in which we cover the types of interaction such as mutualism, proto-cooperation, symbiosis, aminism, right? These are the things. But okay, stick to the topic biome. The word the word biome is short form of the biological home. Biome may be defined as a large natural ecosystem. Look, this is something I was talking about, large natural ecosystem, wherein we study the total assemblance of plant and animal communities. Here all the biota have the minimum common characteristics, because a certain kind of biome, when we talk about, suppose that, okay, we'll further talking about the types of biome. So when we talk about the biome of this area, or the biome of, suppose that, rainforest area, so what is the meaning of that, that here all the biota of the minimum common characteristic. So when we're talking about the biome of the rainforest, or biome of the any kind of tropical area or something like that, so we see some of the common characteristics. Suppose that if you are talking about that plant, or if you're talking about that leaves, and that leaves or the animals or the plants, whatever we are talking about, है ना, they have actually some of the common characteristic depending on the kind of climate that particular biome have. Okay, so suppose that if it's a very cold temperature, if of any biome, it's a very cold temperature. So generally, what will be the common characteristic? The common characteristic would be the needle leaves, or fur with the animals, है ना, or the blubber, or the fat consumption in the skin layer or something like. These are the some of the common characteristic. Such as if we talking about the temperate region में आपके temperate is further divided into the further biomes, right? So if you're talking about the, so you will see the polar bear, you will see the seals, है ना, so all they have a fat consumptions as their energy storage, right? So these are the some of the common characteristics we are talking about. And all the areas of the biomes are characterized by more or less minimum environmental condition. These characteristics is actually depending on some of that environmental condition. That's what we are talking about, right? So biomes are an area possessing particularly climate condition, of course, and which is distinguished by the dominance of certain and usually distinct species. It may also be concluded that biome is a large ecosystem wherein we study the total assemblance of plant and animal communities. So of course, मैम आपने तो बहुत इसमें, तो of course अगर आप इतना ये दोनों कवर करोगे, है ना, ये दोनों अपने दिमाग में रखोगे, और you will make the notes or the PDF of both of it. So इतने में से आप 50% ही जाके एग्जाम में लिखोगे for a very good introduction. And this introduction should be very, of course the whole answer should be the very good, but introduction should be the very good because of the start of that answer from there, है ना. एग्जामिनर जब आपका आंसर पढ़ता है तो उसको almost, because he or she has a very good experience, है ना, he has or she has already checked or so many copies, है ना, तो उसको समझ आ जाएगा that introduction actually talks about you, है ना, that how the body will be, okay. Of course. So now this is the simple topic. Of course, after covering this PDF, I'll tell you that in that 10 marker or 15 marker, how should just concise this all information. Don't worry about it, है ना. First of all, we'll understand the concept here. So what are the factors affecting biome? Various factors, of course, the size, location, characters of biome. But the important factors are length of the day and night. Because of that, the temperature is something dependent, है ना. We have seen the nocturnal animals on the basis of that light and darkness. This is mainly responsible for the duration of the photosynthesis. Of course, some of the plants do photosynthesis for a very long, they have a longer exposure of light, and that they do the photosynthesis, hai na? But some of the plants require very less amount of sunlight. That is the thing. Mean temperature sorry, as well as the difference in temperature. Okay, so मतलब किसी भी particular duration में what is the difference? Suppose that कितना maximum जाता है, what is the maximum level of temperature and what is the minimum level of temperature, and उनका कितना on an average mean रहता है, ठीक है. So difference between diurnal and annual, of course, to find out the extreme conditions. जैसे कि if we talking about the India, so India में आपके there are so many countries, there are so many states, right? So आपका जो coastal area है ना, this is the point we are elaborating mean temperature. So जो coastal areas है, they have the difference in temperature very low, है ना. Generally that's what, of course there are so many reasons of that, we are not going to into that region, that near the oceanic water, so temperature. So but I'm trying to say that in that coastal states, the temperature differences in that annual or whatever is very low, है ना. On an average वो बहुत difference नहीं होता है. But if we talk about, of course, Delhi, so Delhi में there is extreme cold and extreme summers also, है ना. आपका winter के भी temperature बहुत extreme पे जाता है, like 3 to 4 degree Celsius on an average, and आपका summer का भी temperature अच्छा खासा जाता है. So this is a difference like 3 to 4 or to around, इस साल तो around I think 36, 37 easily 40 के around भी है, but ठीक है, on an average 35 मानते हैं. तो if even we are talking about the 5 to 35, the difference is like 30 degree around, है ना. So that is a difference. So length of the growing season, precipitation, of course, precipitation is something very that even that makes a difference. between the tropical, then rainforest and deciduous. Of course, precipitation is one of the thing. Total amount, variation over time. Even the India, the Cherrapunji or the northeastern state, then your coastal state, then your landlocked state. These are the some states where you can talk about the uh, precipitation variation, right? Then wind flow, that include the speed, direction, duration, and frequency. Yes, we know that some of the climate or some of the biomes have a very high speed wind, है ना, or very common. जैसे कि of course then again, देखो majorly actually whatever when we are covering the biome, this is not only the bio topic, this is also the geography topic. So majorly जो variation होता है, the maximum variation is between the states near your coastal areas and then landlocked areas. है ना? That is something where the wind flow or something. If you talking about the Odisha or any coastal state, generally wind speed is high there, right? So that is something. Then soil type, of course, pedomorphic is this is edaphic factor, one of the important factor. Then slope, drainage, and other plants and animal species. Okay, what is the biome types? Biome types is actually, you can say, world biomes are divided variously different bases like climate, vegetation, like climate, vegetation, soil, water condition, depending on the so many other environmental condition. Biomes are actually mainly three types. Okay, so the first is tundra, the second is so the first is tropical, second is temperate, and the third is tundra. Okay, whatever you want to write, tundra, then temperate, and then tropical, है ना? Okay, so of course we'll discuss later कि how to cover, what to cover. देखो ये वाला आपका, this is, I think this is a little blurred, but yes, we can just try to understand that. Okay, okay, so this is your tropical area, right? This is your temperate or subarctic. Temperate will be divided into like that. And when we talking about the tundra, we are actually talking about the arctic region or the very cold region, है ना? So this is something. This is a variation we are seeing there. This is actually the variation, the various external environmental conditions such as the temperature, precipitation, right? So these are the something we are talking about. ठीक है. Then classification of biome यही वाला है, इसको बस थोड़ा सा elaborated करके you can also make the chart. There's of course there's something called the presentation, right? So आपको इतना सारा लिखना है, suppose that अगर जो भी आपका 10 मार्कर है and you want to, आपने फैक्टर लिख लिया, ठीक है, of course we can talk about it. So आपने बायोम का इंट्रोडक्शन लिख लिया. You have to have divide your body. Simple biome was a question in your this year 2025. तो अगर suppose that ये question, अगर देखो आपका if this question will come into your 15 marker or the 20 marker depending on the subjects, of course if you're talking about geography and any other subjects, then then of course you can elaborate even the factors, whatever we have mentioned the factors in the PDF, even these factors you can elaborate, right? But this if question will come into the 10 marker, the word is mentioned the biome, then how should you just divide? Introduction में आपने, you have just defined the biome का introduction, biome defined in the introduction. Then the body part, you'll write the types of the biome, or simple write the factors, because first you can also write the factors. On the basis of that the biomes are classified. So just write it the factor, temperature, precipitation. If you want you can just use the keywords with the example also, that would be the good enough. Then mention the type. उसने पूछा नहीं है, the type is not mentioned in the question, but it's very good, it's a very you have to have uh, differentiate the types, है ना? That makes your complete body answer of the body of that answer, ठीक है? So classification again, this is something we are talking about. So इसमें आपका क्या है? Tropical है, temperate है, and tundra है. देखो इतने सारे हैं ना, you don't need to write this thing in the, we are specifically talking now with regard to the biome in 10 marker. So आपने tropical biome लिख लिया, tropical forest biome लिख लो, ठीक है, tropical forest कर लो, then savanna कर लो, then desert कर लो. Tropical forest में simple mention rain forest, then deciduous forest, and then montane forest. Just mention 3. savanna में simple आप savanna grassland, for savanna grassland mention कर दो, and desert में of course desert में you don't need to write the desert for the classification, that of course we are knowing that arid or semi arid area, ठीक है. Then when you're talking about the temperate में simple write it down, boreal forest, that is your taiga for sure. Then temperate deciduous forest if you want, then grassland. Grassland please mention, because the grassland, if you see that world का map, there is actually proper different steppes है, then your downs है, then your velds है, right? So please mention that, है ना? grassland आपको mention करना है. Then Mediterranean would be good enough, ठीक है, warm को रहने देते हैं, because almost the similar conditions are there. Then tundra में of course simple start writing about the tundra, simple, you don't need to arctic or alpine, simple writing about the tundra. Now we'll talk about, suppose that of course it's a 10 marker question if it is, ये differentiate करने के बाद what are the points you will going to write in that. So what किसी भी when you are defining any kind of biome, suppose that if I'll ask you, okay, tell me what is the temperate, simple tropical rainforest biome or tropical deciduous biome. So there should be some of the key point that should be present in every characteristic of every differentiation or every type. So what are the three or four major characteristics? So the first will be the climatic condition, right? Because that makes the difference. That makes a difference the different kind of different types of biome. So what you'll write in the climatic condition, as we have just covered, the climatic conditions are, just mention the temperature and on or around temperature, just mention, can mention if there is a point, can mention the precipitation, right? And can mention the almost also climate or the weather, है ना, which type of climate it is. तो ये आपका हो गया abiotic factors. Then mention the flora or mention the fauna. If you have the knowledge that at what location it is found, it is on an average, it's a world level. It's not about you have to write only about the India. Agar India bola hai, if the question has mentioned specifically about India, then mention the India. But generally, the first point should be the location. These are some of the basic points. You can also write in that keywords also, है ना? तो आप उसको कीवर्ड में you can write it down. Precipitation. ठीक है, सो आपको ये पॉइंट लिखना, बिकॉज आई हैव सीन सम ऑफ द कॉपीज, बिकॉज आई हैव गिवन बायोम वाला क्वेश्चन इन दैट टेस्ट सीरीज आल्सो, है ना. सो आई हैव सीन सम ऑफ द कॉपीज who are just mentioned climatic condition है, sorry, biome है, suppose that they have written the rainforest or the deciduous, है ना. So what they will do, just writing about the flora and the fauna, because it's because this is Ari Baba, the flora and the fauna are specific thing, है ना. On what basis these specific flora and fauna are found in here, है ना. So for that you have to mention the first location, second climatic condition, and third flora and fauna. Like that you can also write. ठीक है, समझ आ गया क्या क्या लिखना होता है. Sorry, depending on that number or the marks of the question. ठीक है, so okay, suppose that if you are writing about the tundra, what you write is, this is something very elaborated, don't worry, है ना, जरूरी नहीं है. I will tell you what to write. So टुंड्रा में आपको क्या लिखना है, of course this is mainly found in the tundra region. It stretches, देखो ये हमने क्या लिखा point location का, that is stretches from the Alaska and is continuous to the southern fringe of Greenland, right? In Eurasia it is found confined mainly in the peninsula of Siberia. फिर इन southern में थोड़ा सा है southern hemisphere में, तो just mention that it occurs in some of the sub Antarctic Iceland. ठीक है, ये आपका हो गया, इसको आपको शॉर्ट में कर देना, that in that Arctic region this is the area, and that Antarctic region this is the area. You can write like that. मैं एक में elaborate कर रही हूँ, next में I will just complete like normally, right? Here the climatic condition is very dry and cold. Of course we know this is a climatic condition. Now precipitation is very low and much, ठीक है, इतना कर दो. And if it is fall in the form of the snow, we know that tundra we are talking about, winters are very long, summers are very short. Because of that the whole year almost is covered with the snow. ठीक है, इतना ठीक है. ड्यूरिंग विंटर्स मोस्ट पार्ट ऑफ द, ठीक है, यू कैन सिंपली अवॉइड दैट. सॉइल्स आर मोस्टली इन द फ्रोजन मैनर. ठीक है, फ्लोरा एंड फौना पे आ जाओ आप. जनरली लो प्रोडक्टिविटी, बिकॉज ऑफ कोर्स टेम्परेचर और प्रेसिपिटेशन इज वेरी लो, सो प्रोडक्टिविटी विल बी द लो. ठीक है, इतना कर दो. मिनिमम स्टेटेड, इतना करने की जरूरत नहीं है. स्कार्सिटी ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन, नाइट्रोजन, फास्फोरस इन द सॉइल्स, पोअरली डेवलप्ड सॉइल. फिर सीधे सीधे आप यहाँ पे आके कर दो, व्हाट आर दैट flora or the fauna. Herbaceous plants such as bilberry, mountain craneberry, that is also known as the lignoberry, yellow cloudberry, some of the berries you can also write like that. Then growing during short summer and larger number of migratory birds, specifically waterfowl and some of the migratory birds are there, because the environmental conditions are very harsh, right? So normal life is not possible there. Simple. Then start writing about the temperate. Temperate में we have mentioned the different classification. तो first आपका taiga हो गया, second आपका temperate deciduous forest हो गया, and third आपका temperate grassland हो गया. There are some other, but I think that is not necessary. ठीक है, टेम्परेट ग्रासलैंड पे हम लोग थोड़ा सा बात करेंगे. So इसमें अगेन आपको क्या रखना है, इफ यू हैव द नॉलेज देन सिंपल राइट इट डाउन. नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर में है, सदर्न में नहीं है ऑलमोस्ट, या फिर न्यूजीलैंड में देयर इज समथिंग. ठीक है, इसमें आपके कौन से बोरियल फॉरेस्ट है, कोल्ड कॉन्टिनेंटल है. मीन रेनफॉल आपका 50 to 170 सेंटीमीटर है. टेम्परेचर रेंज कौन 6 to 15 डिग्री सेल्सियस है. ठीक है, इसमें कौन से लीव्स हैं, किस टाइप का, देखो ये हमने क्या लिखा लोकेशन, ये हमने क्या लिखा क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन. एंड नाउ वी आर राइटिंग अबाउट दैट फ्लोरा और द फौना. आपकी कैसी है, निडल लीव्ड कोन बेयरिंग एवरग्रीन ट्रीज है, दैट इज द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक वेजिटेशन। और आपका एनिमल्स लिख लो सीधे, ठीक है। एनिमल्स में आपके क्या है, रोडेंट्स है, कैरिबू है, लैग्मोमॉर्फर्स है, बैजर है, ऑटर्स है, ऑटर इज वन ऑफ द थिंग, है ना। व्हेन यू आर कवरिंग दैट बायोम, यू आर नॉट कवरिंग ओनली द ज्योग्राफी पोर्शन, यू आर आल्सो कवरिंग the questions which comes like that. This is some of the species which do certain kind of activity. Tell me which one of the species. UPSC generally has such type of questions also. So otter is there, right? So we know that otters generally live in your temperate region. ठीक है, so taiga biome हो गया. Then write about the temperate deciduous forest. Temperate deciduous forest में what are the things? Okay, again ये आपको किधर है, मिड लैटिट्यूड में, फाउंड इन द बोथ वेस्टर्न एंड द ईस्टर्न मार्जिन ऑफ द कॉन्टिनेंट. गुड टू गो विद दैट लोकेशन, ठीक है। अगर इफ यू नो समथिंग दैट मेंशन द मंचूरिया, नॉर्दर्न एंड सेंट्रल चाइना एंड जापान, समथिंग लाइक दैट. देन हियर talk about the trees have the broad leaf because we are talking about temperate forest leaf. Also evergreen shrubs, herbaceous plant, ferns and something like that. Animals species आपकी कौन सी है, bear है, wolf है, फॉक्स पिग है, वाइल्ड कैट है, ठीक है, ठीक है। इतना इतना गुड टू गो. बर्ड्स आर कॉमनली फाउंड, ऑफ कोर्स माइग्रेटरी बर्ड, तो यू कैन आल्सो राइट एवरीवेयर. देन दिस इज अ गुड थिंग, दैट्स अ टेम्परेट ग्रासलैंड. यहाँ पे आप सब कुछ कवर करोगे. सदर्न हेमिस्फीयर हैव द मॉडरेट क्लाइमेट देन देयर काउंटर पार्ट्स ऑफ द नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर बिकॉज ऑफ, देखो आई हैव ऑल्सो एक्सप्लेन्ड इट, बिकॉज ऑफ मोर मरीन इन्फ्लुएंसर as they are the closer. Yes, this is the class of the geology optional, but this is also very important for your GS prelims and the geography also. Okay, so इसमें क्या है आपका, now you mentioned the temperate grassland covered extensive area, especially in the green plains, sorry, especially in the green plains of North America, a steppe belt of Eurasia, plains of Manchuria, northern hemisphere. Then आपका Pampas, आपका अर्जेंटीना में, वेल्ड्स ऑफ द साउथ अफ्रीका, ठीक है, मरे डार्लिंग वाला जो रीजन है. फिर आपका मोस्ट ऑफ द एरिया ग्रास पर, मतलब आप इसमें मेंशन करोगे दीज आर द सम ऑफ द टेम्परेट ग्रासलैंड नेम विच इज फाउंड ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड, ठीक है. ओके, आई थिंक वही लिखा है, वर्ल्ड आपका है, फिर ऑस्ट्रेलिया में है, दीज आर द नोन एज द डाउन्स फाउंड, ठीक है, ये सारा आपका उसमें मेंशन है. मेडिटेरियन फॉरेस्ट, यू कैन आल्सो मेंशन दैट मेडिटेरियन भी क्लाइमेट आपका है, ठीक है. समटाइम्स यू विल सी सेपरेटली एज अ चैपरल बायोम, ठीक है, वही वाला है आपका मेडिटेरियन, आपका जहां पे पाया जाता है मेडिटेरियन क्लाइमेट के बारे में जस्ट सिंपल सिंपल राइट डाउन. फिर आप स्टार्ट अबाउट द ट्रॉपिकल बायोम. ट्रॉपिकल बायोम में वी हैव कवर्ड द ट्रॉपिकल रेन फॉरेस्ट बायोम, ठीक है. ट्रॉपिकल रेन फॉरेस्ट बायोम है, it has a very good productivity, right? Because of that many the whole year almost experience the rain and the good amount of temperature due to the location of that earth in that near the equator region. That is something you are talking about, okay. Then forest rich in nutrients, so teak, tendu, khair, etc. some are the common trees. Rich wildlife, herbivores like deer, antelope, wild prey, rhinoceros, ठीक है. ये आपका टेम्परेचर वी हैव मेंशन्ड अराउंड 22 to 32 डिग्री सेल्सियस एवरेज है, ये आपका वो नहीं है, ठीक है, एनुअल टेम्परेचर है ये आपका. और आपकी रेन है अराउंड 70 to 200 centimeters. Then the tropical rainforest, sorry, this was the, oh okay, so this was a deciduous. I think this is something I have mentioned by mistake. This is not, should be there, ठीक है. देन आपका deciduous हो गया, फिर आपका रेन फॉरेस्ट हो गया. रेन फॉरेस्ट occurs in the, देखो this is the mention equatorial latitude within the few degree north and south to the equator, है ना, simple, we know that, which are always hot and humid and wet. The tropical rainforest occur mainly in that Amazon basin. Because of that, we also know that Amazon basin has a very rich biodiversity, right? Coastline of West Africa and the Congo basin. It is also found in the Malaysia, some of the other regions also. अच्छी खासी बारिश होती है वहाँ पे. मंथली एनुअल टेम्परेचर आपका ज्यादा ही होता है, 20, इससे भी ज्यादा होता है. दिस इज समथिंग आई नीड टू चेक इट आउट, ठीक है. द क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन प्रोवाइड्स ऑप्टिमिक, व्हाट आर द कंडीशन, ठीक है. फिर आपका डिप्टोकार्पस, होपिया, सम ऑफ द मोस्ट कॉमन ट्रीज स्पीसीज इन इंडियन रेन फॉरेस्ट. दिस इज समथिंग यू नीड टू नो, ठीक है, आप मेंशन कर सकते हो. और हेर्बिवोरस एनिमल्स और कार्निवोरस दोनों ही पाए जाते हैं, है ना. ऑलमोस्ट दिस इज अ वेरी रिच बायोडाइवर्सिटी, ओके. देन आपका माउंटेन फॉरेस्ट, राइट डाउन देयर. Mountain forest ecosystem is type of forest that occurs in the mountains region, typically at elevation of 1000 to 3000 मीटर, ठीक है. ये आप इनके आपके कुछ कैरेक्टरिस्टिक होते हैं. फिर इसमें आपका हिमालयन टिबेटन रीजन हैज मच मोर herbivores and carnivores. Then simple write about the, अच्छा, this is one of the topic, carbon storage providing ecosystem services like water regulation, soil conservation. This has some also economical and environmental significance. Then savanna biome, इसमें आपकी 20 to 5 इंचेस आपका एनुअल रेनफॉल भी मेंशन है, ठीक है. देन आपकी दिस इज द सम ऑफ द बायोप ट्री. वी नो दैट एलिफेंट ग्रास भी आपके यहीं पे होती है ना. व्हेन यू कवर द सिलेबस, प्लीज कवर ईच एंड एवरी एस्पेक्ट. So that's how you not only covering the mains level syllabus but also simultaneously covering the prelims specific question, ठीक है. Desert का of course that. अच्छा, one more thing, when you are writing the desert, प्लीज राइट स्टार बना के, एक तो आप नॉर्मल डेजर्ट लिखते हो बट ऑल्सो राइट देयर दैट कोल्ड डेजर्ट ऑल्सो प्रेजेंट है, ठीक है। सो कोल्ड डेजर्ट ऑल्सो प्रेजेंट है, आपको इधर नहीं लिखना है, ऑफकोर्स दिस इज बिकॉज ट्रॉपिकल, मेंशन दैट दैट डेजर्ट रीजन, या तो आप इधर स्टार बना के लिख सकते हो दैट दिस इज समथिंग नॉट इंक्लूडेड इन द ट्रॉपिकल बट ऑल्सो बट इट्स द टाइप ऑफ द डेजर्ट, ठीक है। फिर ऑफकोर्स सिग्निफिकेंस आप इतना सारा लिया है तो सिग्निफिकेंस राइट इन योर वर्ड्स, द इंपॉर्टेंट एनिमल्स वी हैव मेंशन इन द डेजर्ट और समथिंग लाइक दैट, ठीक है। दैट्स हाउ यू कवर a single topic. So when you cover a single topic, cover it very holistically. Do not cover it like here or there, है ना। When you cover a topic मतलब simultaneously or the holistically of each its aspect, then actually you prepare like prelims and mains simultaneously or mains complete, whatever you want to say, ठीक है। Please do that according to the marks of that question, है ना। इसको आपको कंसाइज करके ऑफ कोर्स लिखना है, दिस इज द कंप्लीट पीडीएफ, तो डू दैट इन अ वेरी प्रिसाइज मैनर एंड डेफिनेटली डू नॉट राइट अ बॉडी इन अ सिंगल गो टू गो लाइक दैट, डिफरेंशिएट योर बॉडी इनटू सेपरेट हेडिंग लाइक फैक्टर, टाइप, फ्लोरा, फौना, है ना। जब भी आप कुछ भी लिख रहे हो, ट्रॉपिकल लिख रहे हो, देन ट्रॉपिकल में कुछ भी लिख रहे हो, यू कैन ऑल्सो राइट इट लोकेशन, climatic condition and flora and fauna. This is also the way you can have a good representation and you'll get a very good marks like that, okay? Okay, thank you everyone.